Hi everyone, I am SREERAJ, your new maths teacher, and also today we are going to start our maths class. And the class starts from the basic of maths, that number system. What are the number systems in mathematics? That starts from the counting numbers. Counting numbers are the natural numbers. What are they? When we choose to count that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. The numbers, natural numbers, etc. And the second is whole numbers. What are whole numbers? We add another digit, that 0, with the natural numbers. Then 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. are called whole numbers. And the third is integers. What are the integer numbers? The integers are the whole number plus the negative numbers. Negative numbers are -1, -2, -3, etc. And the whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3 are called the integers. And when we add some another numbers, that fractions with the integers, then it can called the rational numbers. Rational numbers are the numbers, fractions and integers. And the fractions, what are fractions? Fractions are the numbers in the form of A by B, where A and B from the integers, A and B from the integers, and where B not equal to 0. Fractions എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് A by B ഫോമിലുള്ള നമ്പേഴ്സ് ആണ്. അതിൽ എയും ബിയും നമ്മുടെ ഇൻറ്റീജേഴ്സ് ആയിരിക്കണം. അതായത് നെഗറ്റീവ് നമ്പേഴ്സ് ഓർ 0 ഓർ 1, 2, 3, etc. ഏത് വേണമെങ്കിലും ആവാം. പക്ഷേങ്കിൽ ബിയുടെ സ്ഥാനത്ത്, അതായത് ന്യൂമറേറ്റർ ആൻഡ് ഡിനോമിനേറ്റർ, അതിൽ ഡിനോമിനേറ്റർ 0 വരാൻ പാടില്ല. Fractions. When we add fractions into the integers, then this is called, the system of numbers are called rational numbers. And the fourth part is when we add irrational numbers. Irrational numbers are the numbers which are not fractions. And for example, √2, √3, pi, etc. When we add these numbers with the rational numbers, then the system will increase and it can call the real numbers. Okay, we first started from the natural numbers 1, 2, 3 and etc. And also it are called the counting numbers. And the second part is we add 0 to the natural number, then the name changed into whole numbers. And the third part is integers. Integers are the numbers, the whole numbers plus the negative numbers. Then the fourth part is fractions. Plus integers equal to rational numbers. Then the last, fractions plus irrational numbers, it went to real numbers. And also we can make some patterns by using the number system. That means we can take some numbers from our system, that natural numbers, natural numbers. We get even numbers. Even numbers. What are the even numbers? Even numbers are the numbers which can't divide by 2. What are the numbers? 1. One never can divide by 2, and also 2. 2 can divide by 2, and also 4, 6, 8, etc. These are the numbers which can divide by 2, called even numbers. And the second pattern is odd numbers. What are odd numbers? Odd numbers are the natural numbers which can't divide by 2. That are 1. 1 never can divide by 2, and the second 3, 5, 7, etc. Even numbers and odd numbers. And the third is prime numbers. Prime numbers. What are prime numbers? Prime numbers? Prime numbers are the numbers, the natural numbers, which is greater than 1. Number greater than 1 and have exact 2 factors. Prime numbers എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 1-നേക്കാൾ വലുതായിട്ടുള്ള നാച്ചുറൽ നമ്പേഴ്സ് ആണ്, ആൻഡ് ഹാവ് എക്സാക്ട് 2 ഫാക്ടേഴ്സ്. 2 ഫാക്ടേഴ്സ് മാത്രമേ ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കുള്ളൂ. They are 1 and itself. Prime numbers എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് natural numbers greater than 1 and have exact 2 factors. 2 factors ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കും. 2 factors ഉണ്ടാവാൻ പാടുള്ളൂ. 2 factorsൽ ഒരെണ്ണം 1 ആയിരിക്കും, and the second is same number ആയിരിക്കും. For example, we take 2. The factors of 2 are 1 and 2, and it is all prime. Take 3. Factors of 3 are 1 and 3. Also prime. 4. Factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. We have more than 2 factors, and also it is not prime. Patterns: even numbers, odd numbers, and the important prime numbers. Prime numbers are the numbers, natural numbers greater than 1 and have exact 2 factors. If it is more than 2, then it is not prime number. Then the numbers can call the composite numbers. You can check the composite numbers. Composite numbers. Composite numbers, the natural numbers greater than 1 and have more than 2 factors. കോമ്പോസിറ്റ് നമ്പേഴ്സ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 1-നേക്കാൾ വലുതായിട്ടുള്ള നാച്ചുറൽ നമ്പേഴ്സ് ആണ്. അതുപോലെ തന്നെ അതിന് 2-ൽ കൂടുതൽ ഫാക്ടേഴ്സ് ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കും. ദ ഓപ്പോസിറ്റ് പാർട്ട് ഓഫ് ദ പ്രൈം നമ്പേഴ്സ് ആർ കോൾഡ് ദ കോമ്പോസിറ്റ് നമ്പർ. Our patterns are entered, and we can conclude that these are the important things we must want to get an idea before I start our new chapter. The first chapter in SSLC Maths is the arithmetic sequence. And thank you.